Good evening, everyone. Now this is the fourth lecture of complex number of class 11. Complex number, and welcome to the Mathematics Rose channel, Complex Numbers. And please like and subscribe my channel. So here find the real values of x and y for which the equality is satisfied. So first is given here 1 plus I plus y under bracket y square plus 6 plus I is equal to 2 plus I into x, and second is this. So two complex numbers are equal if their real parts are equal to the real parts and the imaginary parts are equal to the imaginary parts separately. So now solution. So please see the solution first. So 1 plus I y square plus 6 plus I is equal to 2. I am just multiplying over here 2x plus xi. So now here we are multiplying. So y square plus I y square plus 6 plus I. So 2x plus x into I. So we will take the terms related to I and we will write in the standard form. So y square plus 6, and from these two terms I common, so we will take y square, and here is 1y, so 1, and then I common, and here is 2x and xi. So this is taken as equation number 1. So now equating real and imaginary parts. Okay, so if we will equate real and imaginary part, y square plus 6 is equal to 2x. So real part is equal to real part, y square plus 6 is equal to 2x. Now we are getting this equation. Suppose this equation number 2, and here imaginary parts must be equal to the imaginary part. So y square plus 1 into I is equal to x into I. So I you can cancel, or simply you can take a coefficient of I are equal. So y square plus 1 is equal to x. So this is the second one. So this is taken as the third equation. Now from the third equation we will substitute the value of x in terms of y. So from equation 2 and 3, y square plus 6 equal to 2. In place of x we are writing y square plus 1. So now see, y square plus 6 is equal to 2y square plus 2. Now bring 2 this side, so it is 4, and here is y square, 2y square minus y square, so y square. So y is equal to root under 4, it means plus and minus, so therefore y is equal to plus minus 2. So we will get y is equal to plus minus 2. Now you know that in equation 2 or 3 we can find the value of x also. So x is equal to y square plus 1, and in place of y put plus minus 2 whole square plus 1. So either plus 2 we will take or minus 2 we will take, the value will be always 4 will come. So x is 5. So x is equal to 5 when y is equal to 2, x is equal to 5. When y is equal to minus 2, x is equal to also 5. So these are the solution of the question. So this is the answer. So x is 5 and y is 2 and plus 2 and minus 2. So hope this is clear to you. And now in this next one I am doing Now the second question I have written over here. So x to the power 4 plus 2xi and minus under bracket 3x square plus iy under bracket, and then it is equal to the 3 minus 5i plus 1 plus 2iy. So this is the question. So here we have to solve for x and y. We have to find the value of x as well as the value of y. Similar type of question. So we will first of all write in the left hand side what is the complex number over here, and this complex number over here in the form of in the standard form or in the form of a plus ib. So x to the power 4 and then plus 2xi, and this is minus 3x square and minus iy. Now here is 3 and then it is 1, so it is equal to 4 minus 5i plus 2iy. So this will come. So now here is minus 3x square and x to the power 4 are real part. So x to the power 4 minus 3x square, and from these two terms I will take I common. So 2x minus y into I, and then here 4, here I will take I common, so plus, so 2y, first I am writing because it is positive and it is negative, so minus 5 and then I. So now both are the complex number. Suppose those two complex numbers z1 is equal to z2, x1 plus iy1, it is equal to x2 plus iy2. This is the theoretical portion. So x1, when x1 is equal to x2 and y1 is equal to y2, this is taught in the in my previous video. So here if we will take this and this, so the real part is equal to the real part. So x to the power 4 minus 3x square, it is equal to 4. One equation I have got, and here we will, what is the coefficient of I? So 2x minus y, and here the coefficient of y is 2y minus 5. So 2x minus y, it is equal to 2y minus 5. So this is taken as equation number 2. So now from 1 we can write x to the power 4 minus 3x square minus 4 is equal to 0. So I am just writing this is 1, another form of 1. So here if we will take x square is equal to t, x to the power 4 can be written as x square whole square, so it is t square. So it is the equation which will reduce to the quadratic form. So it is now we can write t square minus 3t minus 4 is equal to 0. So this type of thing in quadratic equation we have done. So plus the whole video I have uploaded. So we are just splitting the middle term, so t common, so t minus 4, and this is here is 1 is common factor, so t minus 4 it is equal to 0. So t minus 4 and then it is t plus 1, it is equal to 0. So t is equal to 1, value of t is equal to 4, and another value of t is equal to minus 1. So t is equal to x square, so 4. So x is equal to root under 4, so it is x is equal to plus minus 2. So one value of x is plus 2 and other value is minus 2. And now next is x square is equal to minus 1. So x is equal to root under minus 1. So it is plus minus this. So root under minus 1 is the fundamental imaginary number. So I. So root under minus 1 is iota, or which is named by Euler, is the famous mathematician. So x is equal to I, and x is the other value of x is minus I. So there are two values of x here which are the imaginary values. So now we have to find the value of x and y which are real values. In the question it is written that we have to find only the real values, so no need to find out the imaginary values. So here is the imaginary values is also calculated, but in the question it is written to find the real values. Now we from equation number 2, 2x minus y is equal to 2y minus 5. So here we will put x is equal to 2. So putting the value of x is equal to 2. So 2 into 2 minus y is equal to 2y minus 5. So 4 minus y is equal to 2y minus 5. So bring minus 5 in this way, so it is 9 and it is 3y. This will become 3y. So just simplify. So y is equal to 3. So when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3 is coming. These are the real values of x. And now put x is equal to minus 2. So now 2 into minus 2. Over here you will put, here you will put, and then you will get here you will get. So minus 2 minus y is equal to 2y minus 5. So it is minus 4 minus y is equal to 2y minus 5. So it is 5. 5 you will bring in this side. So it is plus 5 minus 4. It is equal to 3y. So it is 1 is equal to 3y. So y is equal to 1 by 3. So when x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 1 by 3. So these are the other pair of x and y. So these are the answer, because we will have to find only the here x, y both are real values. So we will have to find there are two pair of real values. There are two pair of real values which are the answer of the question. So hope you will enjoy it. And now we will coming to the next question. Now here we are going to I am going to discuss here how to find the cube root of unity. So cube root of 1. We know that in the real part of cube root of 1 is 1. Everybody knows it. So cube root of 1 is equal to 1, you know, which is real number. But let cube root of 1 is equal to x, because there are others cube roots of 1 also, which is the conjugate complex number. So now cubing both sides in this equation, cubing both sides of 1, we can write 1 is equal to, because it is 1 to the power 3, 1 by 3 whole to the power just. So 1 to the power 1 by 3 is equal to x is given. So 1 to the power 1 by 3 whole to the power 3 is equal to x cube. So 3 will cancel. So 1 is equal to x cube. So now bringing 1 in this side. So here is 0. This is x cube minus 1. So 0 is equal to x cube minus 1, and 1 can be written as 1 cube. So it is, you know that a cube minus b cube is equal to, in algebra, a minus b, and then a square plus ab plus b square. It is given in class 8 in CBSE board, class 8 it is taught, and ICSE also. So a cube minus b cube, so we can write x minus 1, and this is x square plus x into 1 plus 1 square. So it is 0, and it is x minus 1, and then it is x square plus x plus 1. So now we will write x minus 1 is equal to 0. So one value is x is equal to 1. So 1 we know it, and the other value will be taken from x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. So it is a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation, but it does not have discriminant is greater than 0 or equal to 0. So here, if we will take the coefficient a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, and c is also constant term is 1. So therefore x is equal to minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So this is minus 1 plus minus root under 1 square minus 4 into 1. 1 into c divided by 2 into 1, so it is equal to minus 1 plus minus root under 1 minus 4, so it divided by 2, so minus 1 plus minus root under minus 3 divided by 2. So one value is minus 1 plus root under minus 3 divided by 2, another value is minus 1 minus root under minus 3 divided by 2. So both are complex number and both are conjugate complex number. So here is positive and here is negative. Now we can write in terms of I. So it is plus root under 3 into minus 1 you can write and divided by 2. So it is minus 1 root 3 into root under minus 1 and divided by 2, and similarly minus 1 minus root 3 into root under minus 1 divided by 3. So it is minus 1 minus root 3i and divided by 2. In place of this I am again writing, see, I am forgetting to shift the copies, sorry for that. So minus 1 plus root 3i divided by 2, and then second is minus 1 minus root 3i divided by 2. So first, this is the first cube root of unity, first complex cube root of unity, which is denoted by this omega sign, omega. And if we will square this, we will get this conjugate cube root of unity. So therefore it is omega square, it is denoted by omega square. So we will say omega square. The second cube root of unity is omega square. So there are three cube root of unity. So cube root of 1 is, first is 1, second is minus 1 plus root 3i by 2, and next is minus 1 minus root 3i by 2. So we will write also 1 omega and then omega square. So these are the three cube root of unity we have to learn. So from the cube root of unity, there are many questions are coming from the cube root of unity. So we will discuss about the properties of the cube root of unity. So now see, we know that cube root of unity 1, cube root of 1 is 1 minus 1 plus root 3i by 2, and second is minus 1 minus root 3i by 2. So 1 is a real number, and other two are complex conjugate complex complex numbers, because here is plus and here is minus, so they are complex conjugate number. So now these are the property. In the first property we can say that one of cube root of unity is real number, and other two are conjugate complex numbers. Other two are conjugate complex numbers. So this is the property, and now the property 2. Before property, so property 2 I am going to discuss the cube root of unity. Property 2, square of complex cube root of unity of square of one complex cube root of unity gives other complex cube root of unity. See here how, suppose I am going to square of complex cube root of unity -1 plus root 3i by 2. So square we have to do. Then we will get what? -1 minus root 3i by 2. So see -1 plus root 3i whole square by it is 4. Now it is a plus b whole square. So -1 square plus 2 into -1 into root 3i and then root 3i whole square and divided by 4. So it is equal to -1 square 1, minus 2 root 3i, and this is root 3 into root 3 means 3, and then it is I square by 4. You know it, my I square is equal to -1. So put the value of I is equal to -1. So it is -3 by 4, and this 1 and this -3, so it is -2 root 3i by 4. So here if you will do common, -1 minus root 3i, here you just see root 3i by 4. So we are getting -1 minus root 3i by 2. So if this is taken omega, we are getting this omega square. This is omega square. So if we denote this, in general we denote -1 root 3i by 2, it is equal to omega. Then -1 minus root 3i by 2, it is equal to omega square. If we will square this, reverse will also come. So now see here, -1 minus root 3i by 2 whole square, if we will do, we will get the first cube root of unity. So here you just see the proof of this also. So square of this numerator divided by 4. So minus I am taking common, and then -1 square, then 1 plus root 3i whole square by 4. So it is equal to 1, and then 1 plus 2 root 3i, and then it is 3i square by 4. So here 1 plus 2 root 3i and -3, since I square is equal to -1, you know it, so divided by 4. So this and this, it is equal to -2 plus 2 root 3i divided by 4. So 2 we can take common in the numerator, -1 plus root 3i divided by 4. So this one, this will cancel. It is -1 plus root 3i by 2. Okay. So see, if we will square this one, second cube root of unity, we are getting the first one. So second cube root of unity is denoted by omega square. So omega square ka square, it is equal to what? Omega. Why? So since omega power 4 is equal to omega, we will see it. Now property third. So here we will just discuss about the property third, so that this will become clear to you. Now the product of, suppose that omega and omega square. So omega is the first complex cube root of unity minus 1 plus root 3I by 2, and this is minus 1 minus root 3I by 2. This is already we have calculated, so we will multiply these two. So here this is a plus b and this is a minus b, so minus 1 square and then minus root 3I whole square by 4. So it is equal to 1, and this is 3I square minus 3I square by 4. So it is minus 1 plus 3, and since I square is equal to minus 1, so you know, so it is 4 by 4, so it is equal to 1. So omega into omega square means the product of the two conjugate complex cube root of unity is always equal to 1. So product of CT, product of two conjugate complex cube root of unity is always equal to 1. So it means that omega into omega square, so omega into omega square, it is equal to 1, means omega cube is equal to 1. So you have to remember this property also. Now next is property 4. The sum of cube roots of all cube roots of unity is equal to 0, means 1 is the cube root of unity, omega is also, omega square is also, so their sum is equal to what? 0. So from this relation we can solve problems. Now here we will just discuss about it. So now here see left hand side, it is 1 plus omega square. One time you will prove it, then the concept becomes very clear, and whenever you will do the problems related to complex number, it becomes easier to you and it is understandable, because these days the habit is only to just write the formula and start the application. This is good, but this is not good for the concept of mathematics. 1 plus, this is minus 1 plus root 3I by 2, because omega is equal to this, and the omega square is equal to minus 1 minus root 3I by 2. Since omega is equal to minus 1 plus root 3I by 2 and omega square is equal to minus 1 minus root 3I by 2. So now here, from here we will take the LCM 2. So 2 minus 1 plus root 3I, and then here is minus 1 minus root 3I. So this and this will cancel, and this is minus plus. So 2 minus 2 divided by 2, so it is equal to 0 by 2. So 0. So it is quite simple. 1 plus omega square, their sum is equal to the sum of the all three cube root of unity. One is real, another is conjugate complex number. The sum of all the cube root of unity is equal to 0. And one in property 3 we have discussed that omega cube is also equal to it is equal to 1. So using these two properties, many problems we can solve it. And after that we have to study how to find the square root of any complex number. So in the next video we will discuss, because the next video will become, I think, video this is the lecture 5, I think, lecture 5. So thank you, bye bye. Please like and subscribe my channel. So see that this is the working hard, and I am working also hard. So you will please try to subscribe. This is the patience that I am doing all these things at night, and sometimes at least suppose I am making the videos of 3 hours or 4 hours in one slot, I can finish it. But whatever I am seeing, that the views are very come, very small views are not coming, because those who are seeing that, they are just opening the channel and they are not seeing, due to perhaps the thumbnail is not good, whatever it is. But please see, then you will understand the basic concept of any of the topic of class 11 as well as in class 12, because I have not right now I have in this year I have not done the video of class 12. I will start doing, but so many class 10s I am doing, and class 11 also I am doing, but this is the hectic for me also. So I am editing also. So please like and subscribe, and please watch the whole videos. It is my kind request to you, so that one day I will come on the live also, and my aim is to teach in the whiteboard or good camera. But due to the less resources, I am writing, I am doing here, because I am having the experience of 21-year experience, teaching experience in the field of CBSE and ICSE mathematics, as well as I am teaching in Hindi medium students also. So please like, subscribe, share, and press the bell button for the further notification of the video. And thank you, and please take and comment the how to improve the topic. So affirmative comments are most welcome. Thank you, bye bye. And I hope that you will do better in the future and in coming examination. In the coming examination, now it is the examination is objective type. So for that only tricks are there. So tricks you can use and get your good marks. It is good also, but one more thing, when the subjective type in the final examination, subjective question will also come. So for that you will have to be very prepared. So continue watching the video. I will make also the objective type. First of all, all the theoretical portion I will complete. After that I will